Hi guys, I'm Melissa from Alikay Naturals and I work in production and I work in the warehouse also. I'm Trinidadian and Bayesian. I'm here to tell you guys a little bit about Dead Sea face mask that I'm going to be using in a little bit and show you guys how amazing it leaves your skin afterwards. Okay, so this is the Dead Sea face mask that I'm going to be using. It's an amazing face mask. I use it every other week. It's going to leave your face super soft. While you're using it, you're going to feel the tightening in your face. It's going to clear all your pores. It's going to leave your face so soft. I'll show you what it looks like. It's a great consistency. It's kind of jelly. It's easy to put on. It gives you that time to put it on and relax for 20 minutes, walk around the house like a monster, and come out beautiful. Definitely got to try this. I'm going to show you a demonstration of how to use it and what the final result is. So as you see me putting it on right now, it slides over your face so easily. It's so easy to apply. It's kind of cold, but it feels good. Depending on your skin, that's how I would base the amount of product to use. If you have really oily skin, maybe use a little bit more. Drier skin, I would use less and leave it on for the same amount of time. So make sure you avoid your eye area. You're just putting it around your eyes, not in your nose, around your mouth. Okay, so there you go. Complete mask on my face. Now I'm just gonna give it 15 to 20 minutes to dry. And feel all the tightening. That's how you know it's working. And when you wash it off, you're gonna see the beautiful you. This is another way of drying your face faster. Okay, you guys, so it's been about 20 minutes. Well, I'd say 15 minutes. You guys can see the difference of its drying and where it's wet. The reason some places have dried quicker is because of a thinner layer. It doesn't need as much. I'm oilier on my nose and stuff and my cheeks, so I put more there. You can hear me talking funny because it's really tight. It's doing its job. I'm gonna wash it off. So when you're washing it off, just remember you guys to wash it off in circular motions to get all the grains and stuff out of your pores. Okay, so as you guys can see now, I've taken off the mask. My face is super soft. Wish you guys could feel it. Well, you guys are gonna feel it soon because you're gonna try it. So now you have to moisturize. We have a couple of products from Alikay that we can use for moisturizing. One of the new products you can use as a moisturizer is a green tea chai face scrub. You can use a little bit of the oil out of it to moisturize your face. That's one option. We also have a Shea So Real. It's pure shea. You can also use that on your face. But I'm gonna use the Tropical Body Icing. These are all three Alikay products from our skin and body care line. So I'm going to use this as a moisturizer. You guys have to make sure you always have to moisturize after you use the face mask. I'm just going to use a little bit. Flawless skin at the end of it. All natural. Bye guys!